Gamitin mo yan pa. Hindi ka mangalan. Hindi ako lang. Patanggal ako. Sige.
Takay basta total length of
Thank you.
8.2 kilometers and the navigable portion 4.3 kilometers. And now, we are allowed to explore only 1.5 kilometers of this giant underground lake.
Bakit hindi do the whole thing?
Ma'am?
Bakit hindi the whole thing?
Oo. Bali, meron po tayo ma'am na 4.3 kilometers na navigable portion, but regular tour po ay 1.5 kilometers lang. So, kung gusto po makarating sa 4.3 kilometers, kailangan nyo lang po itinuha na special permit instead of your regular permit.
Okay.
So, ang ating pong biyahe ngayon or ang ating tour ay magtatagal ng 45 minutes to 1 hour. And also, 1 night.
1 night?
Yes. So, sir, in the front, please turn on the light. Okay. So, good evening, everyone. Okay.
Oh,
The three rocks that you see, ma'am, sir, we call that limestone. Or in Tagalog, tinatawag po siyang batong apog.
Oh.
Batong apog? Yes.
Si Kuya.
uy, nakakatakot sa
Takot o dati.
At ang napapansin po natin or lumilipad or flying around us, that's an example of birds, not that bats.
Oh.
Ano yun daw? That is the swallow birds and the swiftlet. Yeah. The swallow birds, yung gumagawa po ng bird's nest. Kung alam niyo po yung ginagawang linuso.
sino ka?
Sila yun. Yes.
Ito.
So, ma'am, sir, during the duration of the trip, syempre, we will be fascinating the rock formations inside the cave. The yellowish rock, we call that rock formations, ma'am. So later, ma'am, sir, I will show you more spectacular rock formations. Oh, that one, that's the bats.
Batman.
At ang malaki, bat to. Pag malaki, so tour of that in our right side, sir. Right?
Right daw.
Right side, sir.
Right side.
Forward.
Forward.
To the chamber. Okay. The chamber has a length of 200 meters and then end. We call that bat cave.
Oh, so many.
Bat cave. So, sir,
Oo, ang dami.
buti pa sila sigurado na.
Where pa hindi tayo punta doon?
Yes, ma'am? So, ma'am and sir, we are not allowed to enter to the bat cave because I'm not a batman, only a boatman.
Batman.